Some months back, when we decided to launch E-Tron cars in this country, we made it already very clear that this is going to be a journey for us over a long period, and in this journey we're going to need a lot of players joining us, and this is an initiative which needs the support of everyone: the government, the industry bodies, the manufacturers, but also our retail partners. And therefore I'm very pleased to see that our retail partners are fully supporting our way forward and investing into a sustainable future, like this example demonstrates perfectly in my mind here up in Audi Centurion. One of the Audi strategy pillars is definitely the sustainability pillar, and I think this project here with Peter and his team at Audi Centurion demonstrate also clearly the way towards a more sustainable future, in the way that they set up the solar panels on their roof, and charging cars in a green way with solar power is the way forward, and I think that is supporting us greatly in our journey.
Audi Centurion is starting a new innovation whereby we intend charging Audi E-Tron vehicles off the grid with green power, making charging an Audi absolutely carbon neutral without the use of any fossil fuels in the charging process. We have partnered with A&H, who is our design on this whole solar system, and SMA as the supplier of the hardware of this initiative. What makes this initiative unique is that we have an intelligent background and intelligent charging system, whereby excess electricity that the dealership does not use can be utilized to charge our electric vehicles without any cost at all. When you charge the vehicle at Audi Centurion, we will not be using any carbon fuels. It'll be environmentally friendly, and it'll be absolutely free of charge. Over and above to the very cost-effective charging that we can offer here, additionally, we have a showroom where we have all the different charging facilities, either for commercial or for private home use, where a consumer can come and have a look at how the system operates, and on the application show how we can intelligently manage your charging.
Materials are top notch, nothing makes a noise, nothing is rough or nasty to touch, everything is soft and exquisitely made, so it does feel like you're inside of a Hermes designer bag. A very fast one. The onboard systems are also quite intelligent. For those of us who don't know how to use our indicators when we're changing lane, the vehicle will simply not let you go over the solid line. It will give you some resistance, and it will push the car back in between two lines if you try to move over them without using your indicator. It's called active lane assist. It just makes sure that you don't veer off a safe route or a safe driving position if you're not paying attention. It also has adaptive cruise control, which uses a radar to actively measure distance and speed between you and your surroundings, and the car will then operate within the set parameters. It will brake itself, it will accelerate up to the set point, it will follow a car in front of you all the way from driving down to standing still at a traffic light, and then accelerating as well. It's also got what you call Audi Precinct, so that radar also has a built-in safety feature. If something jumps up in front of the car unexpectedly, it will take active measures to ensure that the occupants are safe. You can also get blind spot monitoring detection and exit monitoring, so the car has a rearward facing camera that'll let you know if some cars in your blind spot, or if you exit a highway and you can't really see if you are going to join a different car's lane without enough space, or even if you're just backing out of a parking spot, that sensor or radar will sense the proximity. For DC charging, so this is for fast charging, you can do up to 280 kilowatt per hour charging, but locally we only get up to 150, which is still adequate. You can charge the car from empty to full in like 10, maybe 15 minutes.